अच्छा, अभी मैं अपना जो डाला हूँ। अच्छा, वो है मेरे पास। ठीक है, ठीक। Namaskar, this is Professor Eslal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per your session, and today we are going to discuss about quadratic equation, and the topic that is today we are going to discuss it, or today we are taking for discussion, will be playing a very important role in your, and you can say, future study and analyzing the data and the determination of so many, you can say, variables and so many hypotheses. So please let us write the topic quadratic equation. And for the sake of convenience, I would like to share something for your reference. First of all, you should note that the term quadratic has been taken from the Greek dictionary, and some people say that it has been taken from Latin dictionary, but you don't go in such depth that whether it is the term quadratic has been taken from Latin dictionary or whether it has been taken from Greek dictionary. But the prima facie motto is to say you that the meaning of quadratic means having power 2. As if you are writing x to the power 2, if you are writing x square, if you are writing x square, then you can say that that is the what? That is quadratic. That is quadratic. So, what is quadratic? Before going to that very context, firstly try to know that what is equation, because we are going to discuss firstly equation and then quadratic plus equation is equal to quadratic equation. So what is equation? This term equation is very much significant and very much you can say relevant, and this comes always in your study portion, in your study part. Sometimes you say that this is a chemical equation, sometimes you say this is algebraic equation, sometimes you say this is differential equation. And even in today's scenario, in political scenario, there is a voting equation that is based on caste, creed and religion. So the term equation is very much, you can say, familiar with you. So firstly you try to understand that what is the actual meaning of the term equation. Equation, please write a statement of equality, a statement of equality by virtue of which, a statement of equality by virtue of which it is possible to find out the value of or the values of a unknown quantity. Again, I am repeating, a statement of inequality, a statement of inequality by virtue of which it is possible to find out the value or values of an unknown quantities. So that is called equation. And if you are saying quadratic equation, if you are saying quadratic equation, in that context, how will be describing that? You have to say that a statement of a statement of equality that a statement of inequality in which the variable or the unknown quantity, you can say, bears the power 2, and it is possible to find out the, you can say, value of the variable or unknown quantity, that is called quadratic equation. And from your very beginning study, from your higher secondary level study, you know that the standard form of a quadratic equation is what? that is ax square bx plus c. And for the sake of convenience of your understanding, I would like to, you can say, share some facts before you that what is actually a quadratic equation C. So this chapter is actually combined. Here is a, you can say, complex number as well as quadratic equation, but you have to see only quadratic equation part. We can't correlate each other. This in your syllabus there is only, you have to study about quadratic equation. So just please wait for a second, and I will be sharing with the fact of quadratic equation, and I suggest you that you have to do, see here, this is the quadratic equation portion. You know that the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square bx plus c is equal to 0, and here the coefficient a, b, c are real. Here the coefficients a, b, c are what? They are real, and a is not equal to 0, because if you are going to put a is equal to 0, then if you are putting a is equal to 0, then the equation will be converting into linear equation. So we are not going to discuss here linear equation. Our target is to discuss about what? Quadratic equation. And you know from your very beginning study of your higher secondary level study that the discriminant of this quadratic equation x square bx plus c is denoted by capital D, and that is equal to b square minus 4ac. And when we solve this ax square bx plus c is equal to 0, then we find x is equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4 is c divided by 2a. And if you you can say rearrange you can say sequence of the terms written in the bracket, then this may be written in the form of complex also. So students, I hope that you are comfortable in getting the concept of quadratic, and I suggest you that you should go through the NCERT book of 12th standard to revise your quadratic equation concept. And in case of any query, I advise you that you discuss about this topic during our live session. And students, this session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. In case of any query or any doubt, feel free to write your comment in the inbox. I shall try to resolve your query from there. Thank you very much for enjoying and you can say joining this lecture. Thanks a lot again.